Every time you type a website name, like google.com, something incredible happens in the background, in under a second. Wondered how your computer actually finds that website? That's the job of DNS, the domain name system. Think of DNS as the phone book of the internet. Computers don't understand names. They only speak in numbers. Those numbers are called IP addresses, like 142.250.190.78. Nobody wants to memorize that for every single website. So DNS steps in as the translator. You give it a name you remember, and it returns the number your computer needs. So let's follow what happens when you hit enter. First, your computer asks a DNS resolver, run by your provider. It asks, "What's the address for this website?" If the resolver doesn't know, it checks the root servers, the master directory. The root points it to a TLD server, the part that handles endings, like .com, .org, or .net. Finally, it reaches the authoritative server, the one that holds the real answer for that exact website. The IP address travels back to your computer, and your browser instantly connects to the site, all in milliseconds. To make things faster, DNS remembers. Once your computer learns an address, it stores it for a while. This is called caching. So next time you visit that site, there's no need to ask again. It just connects instantly. So why care about DNS? Without it, the internet wouldn't work. No easy names, no quick connections, just endless numbers. DNS is the quiet system behind every click, translating the names you understand into the numbers the internet understands. So next time a website loads in a blink, you'll know there's an invisible phone book making it all happen. That's DNS, small, silent, and absolutely essential.